top story tonight, big changes are coming to the prices of the everyday goods we all use, and they could start affecting your wallet soon.
President Trump has announced a sweeping new tariff policy on imported goods, calling it a necessary move to protect American jobs and manufacturing. But what does that mean for you, especially as a college student? Caden Walker has the details.
President Trump's recent announcement of new tariffs have started conversations nationwide, particularly between economists and business leaders. These conversations particularly affect Troy University students who are already feeling the pinch of rising costs.
A tariff is a tax, and specifically it's a tax on imports. So anytime that you and I as consumers, if we buy a good or a product from overseas, that product that we purchase also faces an additional tax, the tariff.
And TrojanVision has the rundown for you as we go over President Trump's newest tariff. He's declared a national economic emergency and announced a 10% tariff on all imported goods, with higher tariffs on countries with large trade deficits. The tariffs aim to protect U.S. jobs, reduce reliance on foreign goods, and push for fairer trade. Some items like pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, and USMCA-compliant goods are exempt. The tariffs will stay in place until trade relationships become more balanced.
Already with the tariffs being implemented, at least in the short run, my investments personally have been pretty rough. They've taken a big hit. I invested a bunch of savings from high school when I had my job, and a lot of the growth that I had made instantly started falling whenever the tariffs are being implemented. I definitely like tuition increasing, or just like everyday groceries or going to fast food restaurants. I could definitely see that these having a play as far as like being more expensive.
Dub says that Brack's thoughts are headed in the right direction. As time goes on, consumer prices may increase.
What it is that businesses have been doing in the U.S., where they've kind of been anticipating these tariffs. They should be set for the next few weeks to several months. But after that, right, those inventories are going to wind down, and again, they'll have to find ways to source and import those goods. And at that point, we should start to see consumer prices rise.
Reporting from John Robert Lewis Hall, Caden Walker, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The last time that President Trump imposed a tariff of this size was in his first term back in 2018.
And these tariffs come as the U.S. faces a record $1.2 trillion trade deficit, plus growing concerns over reliance on foreign supply chains.